Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope we're doing well. So in today's story I'm going to show you my favorite kind of makeup look. Is very neutral and everybody can achieve this look. I really love this makeup look for events or for special occasions. I love to use more light eyeshadows or basically nothing, as you can see here, because I already used many colors and many dramatic looks here on YouTube. So in real life, I love to keep it neutral, as you can see. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do this flawless and perfect skin makeup look. I really hope that you enjoy, and if you wanna see how I get it, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't. Hit the notification bell to make sure that you get all the news when I upload it. Like this video if you did, and let's get started. So to start off this look, I really love to moisturize my skin first because this is really important. Trust me, you will not regret. Before I apply any product in my skin, any primer or any foundation, because I don't want to look cakey. And when I apply a foundation in my skin without a moisturizer or primer, basically my skin will soak up all the moisture in the foundation, so the skin will just and bring to her all the water and moisture in this foundation, and the effects that you have is a cakey look skin, and this is not beautiful. So what I'm gonna do first is to apply a setting spray in my face, and this is really moisturizing because it's basically water and I love it. This is the Slay All Day by George Cosmetics in their fragrance Rosy. This product is amazing, especially to make my foundation last longer, and I really like the effect. So I use it before and after I apply the foundation, powder and everything. Especially when I apply powder, I like to set my face and then I apply this Slay All Day again. It will help to melt all the products together and make my skin look flawless. So the next step is to close my pores and make my skin look flawless to receive the foundation. So today I'm gonna use a Professional by Benefit, and I really love this primer. It's one of my favorites of all the time because it really closes my pores and make my foundation last longer as well. So I'm gonna apply a small amount of product in my T-zone, especially in my forehead, in my cheeks, and also a little bit in my chin and in my nose. And what is left in my fingers I'm gonna bring to the rest of my face. So next I'm gonna apply a foundation, and today I'm gonna use Infallible Pro Glow. I really love this foundation, especially to use in my daytime. This foundation is amazing. So I'm using today the shade Classic Ivory, and to apply this foundation all over my skin I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender. I like to use a damp beauty blender because when I apply foundation the beauty blender will soak all the product, so I like to keep it damp. And when I apply the foundation in my face with the damp beauty blender, it will not soak all the product but push it in my skin, so it will look flawless and give me a flawless effect. This is a little trick that I love to do because it helped me to use less product, and sometimes less is more. And next I'm gonna apply a concealer. I'm gonna use one of my favorites, and this is Born This Way by Too Faced in the shade Light. I'm using the shade Light because it's not too light as the another shade that I have, which is Fair. So I love this concealer because it gives me a more natural finish, and I'm gonna blend this concealer in my skin with the same blender as before. And then to set my face, I'm gonna use the powder by Maybelline as well, and this is Pure Makeup. I love this powder, especially for oily skin. It's amazing and photographs so beautifully. So I'm gonna apply with a powder brush and just a small amount of product. Next, to contour my face, I'm gonna apply a contour, and I'm gonna use today this palette from BH Cosmetics. This is a contour, highlight, and blush palette. It's called Nude Rosy. It's a beautiful palette. So today I'm gonna use these two brown shades to contour all my face. And now for my brows, I'm gonna use the Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade Blonde because I want a more natural finish. And I forgot that I had this spoolie in this side, but that's okay. I already used it. One spoolie that I find. So I just brush my brow hairs and then I fill it with the pencil. And I really love this shade because it gives me a more natural finish. I'm gonna use the same concealer to conceal my brows. And next I'm gonna use this beautiful pink shade as my blush. Now to highlight, as I want a soft effect in my skin, I'm gonna use the Candlelight Glow by Too Faced as well, and I'm using the shade Rosy Glow. It's a very beautiful highlighter. If you have a more bronzed skin, you can use a warm glow highlighter like this. I love this velvet finish in this highlighter because it's not too shimmery, it's not a glittery highlighter, so for me it's perfect. And I apply it everywhere I wanted to highlight my face. I used this highlighter to highlight my inner corners, the tip of my nose, below of my brows, and also in my cheekbones, in my cupid's bow, in my chin. Woo, basically everywhere. And I love this shade so much. As you can see, it's a very beautiful highlighter, and I think it works for everybody, especially for the lightest skin. But warm glow is also so beautiful. I'm gonna apply the setting spray Slay All Day by Giorgio Cosmetics, again in the fragrance Rosy. I love this fragrance so much. It's amazing, it smells so good, and really helps my foundation to stay on for a lot of time. To finish off my eyes, I'm gonna apply one of my favorite eyelashes, and this is Winging by Velour. I love this style so much. As you can see, it's so beautiful and gives me this kind of cat eye effect. I really love it. And to finish off my lips, I'm gonna apply two liquid lipsticks. This is Child Star by Too Faced, and this is Endora by BH Cosmetics. So that's it, my lovies. I really hope that you enjoyed this makeup look. Is my favorite makeup look. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't, hit the notification bell, like this video if you did, and I see you later in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!